Mustard seeds are the small round seeds of various mustard plants. The seeds are usually about 1 to 2 millimeters, 0.039 to 0.079 in diameter and may be colored from yellowish white to black. They are an important spice in many regional foods. Benefits: mustard seed has antimicrobial and antibacterial effects. Mustard seed is effective in reducing the oxidation caused during chemotherapy in cancer treatment, because it is a good source of antioxidants and phytonutrients. Mustard seeds are high in minerals such as calcium, manganese, iron, selenium, and copper. When ground, mustard seeds act as a laxative due to its ability to stimulate the gastrointestinal tract. Mustard seeds provide natural benefits for the hair and skin. They can be used as a natural skin scrub and provide hydration. Vitamin A and E, calcium, and omega-3 and 6 in mustard seeds help to strengthen hair. Possible side effects: black mustard seeds, eaten by mouth, can damage the throat and also affect heart conditions, gastrointestinal conditions, and breathing problems. Black mustard seeds can also burn the skin if exposed for too long a period. Mustard seed is widely reported as allergen because of some specific proteins. Quantity recommendations: I recommend mustard seed in a small amount on a regular diet. It can be eaten once or 2 times a week, not only because it is a potential allergen, but also because it is not part of common Brazilian diet. Mustard seeds are a great alternative if nightshades in the diet are being avoided. Ground mustard seed can be used in cooking as preferred.